So I just arrived in Dubai 5 minutes ago, almost, or last night, and I'll stay here for a few days, and then I will head home, and then I'll come back to Thailand. No water.
Dry season?
Oh yeah. So, how many have you been in Dubai? And did you like it? Hit me up in the comment. And if I found something, I'll let you know. In the background we have the hotel with the pyramid. It looks pretty awesome. So you should come check it out if you are around. Well, to wish all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and thank all who subscribed this year, and see you next year, and enjoy, and thank you again all who decided to subscribe to my channel, and wish you the best.